Shares of miner Freeport-McMoRan falling today despite topping Wall Street estimates for first quarter profit. Strong gold and copper prices helping boost results. The stock ending about 2% lower today as copper futures pulled back, perhaps some profit taking in that market. Joining us now, Freeport-McMoRan Chairman and CEO Richard Adkerson. Richard, it's so great to have you on. Thanks for joining us.
Good to be on, Morgan. Good to see you.
So I do want to start with the fact that we saw copper production increase in the first quarter. Copper sales were up 33% year on year, which was above guidance as well. You and I have had this conversation about a long-term mismatch in the market as we do see some of these secular growth trends around things like electrification, infrastructure. Now you could even argue digitization with things like data centers. Are we starting to see that materialize?
Clearly, I mean, copper prices have moved up from roughly the $3.70 a pound level to $4.40 or so now. And the tone of the market from people who follow it closely are reflecting more of the positions that we've been talking about for such a long time. The fundamentals for copper are very good, both from a demand standpoint and the challenges in meeting supply.
So when we talk about Dr. Copper, I mean, we also talk about how it's a barometer for the health of the global economy. What are we seeing? How is China factoring in?
Well, China is important to the market for copper. It consumes more than 50% of the copper within China. And going into 2023, there was massive concern about China because of its issues in the property sector. But China ended up having growth during 2023 from investments in its grid and in the green economy and so forth. And the outlook for China is better. It still has its question marks, but today's world is different. It doesn't rely totally on China for growth. Growth in the developed world is coming about from the factors you just mentioned, as well as continued growth in the less developed world. So the outlook for copper is very positive. I've never been more enthusiastic about it.
Okay. How do you navigate and, I guess, de-risk for a year that is rife with politics and geopolitics, not just here stateside, but also in key markets like, for example, Indonesia, where you have a big operation?
Yeah, no question. I mean, politics in a number of countries around the world are very complicated. At the end of the day, ours is a very long-term business. I mean, it takes many years to develop new production, to add new production online. And then when you do develop mines, they have decades of life. And so we just have to have a long-term focus on our business. The key to our business is execution. And that's been a hallmark of Freeport. We've been able to execute our business plans very effectively. And this quarter showed that.
Have to ask about gold, because you don't just pull copper out of the ground, you pull gold out of the ground. We've seen it trading at record highs. Your outlook?
Gold for us is a byproduct of our major copper mine in Papua in Indonesia. It is among the very largest single gold mines in the world, and it's an important factor in the profitability of that mine. In this most recent quarter, our gold production with the current high gold price was sufficiently large to cover all of our operating costs for that mine, and that's the second largest copper mine in the world. So it's important, but it's not, in terms of our consolidated totals, it's less than 10% of our revenues, but it's an important byproduct factor for that mine.